In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client list in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a small business or just want to keep track of contacts better, having an organized way to store client information is crucial. ClickUp is a fantastic tool for this purpose, and I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you make the most out of this powerful platform. First, let's start by going to your space in ClickUp. Your space is essentially your hub where everything is organized. It's like a virtual workspace where you can manage different projects and tasks related to your clients. Navigating to your space is simple and serves as a good starting point for our project setup. Now, within the space, you want to select the list option. You'll find a plus sign, usually located conveniently to add new items. So go ahead and click that. This plus sign is your gateway to adding new folders and lists, ensuring that everything remains neat and well structured. Next, you'll want to focus on folders. Click on the folder option that comes up. This folder will house your client list, which helps in keeping everything tidy and easily accessible. It may seem like a minor step, but using folders can significantly improve your organizational workflow. In the text box that appears, type in clients. This naming convention is straightforward and ensures that you can quickly find and manage your client-related tasks. Once you've entered the name, the next step is crucial for setting up your overall structure properly. Go ahead and click on the Create button. By doing so, you establish the foundation for your client list, developing it within a well-organized folder. This folder now exists within your space, ready to be populated with client information. Once your folder is created, you might find it helpful to rename it to something more specific, if your business needs require it. Customizing folder names can make it easier to distinguish between different types of lists or projects as your use of ClickUp grows. Now that your folder is set up and named appropriately, click on the Task button. This button is where you'll actually create the entries for each client. It's a great way to keep individual client details organized, managing tasks related to each one efficiently. Finally, using the Add Task feature, start inputting your clients as individual tasks. This is where you can begin to customize the information you track for each client. Consider details like contact information, important dates, or recent interactions. Utilizing tasks in this manner allows you to keep everything fluent and easily retained. By following these steps, you have now created a structured client list in ClickUp. Remember, organizational tools like ClickUp can make a significant difference in managing your workflows efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.